The Sweet Symphony of Chocolate from Bean's Bar. Chocolate, a beloved treat, cherished by millions worldwide, is much more than just a confectionery delight. Beyond its luscious taste lies a complex journey of manufacturing, one that involves meticulous processes and craftsmanship. Let's dive into the fascinating world of chocolate manufacturing, tracing its journey from the humble cocoa bean to the delectable chocolate bar. The journey of chocolate begins in the tropical regions, where cocoa trees thrive. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cocoa pods by hand, ensuring that only the best quality beans are selected. These beans are then fermented to develop their characteristic flavors. During fermentation, naturally occurring yeast and bacteria interact with the sugars in the cocoa pulp, initiating chemical reactions that are crucial for the development of chocolate's complex flavor profile. After fermentation, the beans are spread out to dry under the sun, a process that further enhances their flavors. Once charred, the beans undergo roasting, where they are heated at precise temperatures to develop their rich, chocolatey aroma. Roasting also helps to remove any residual moisture and sterilize the beans, ensuring the quality and safety of the final product. The roasted cocoa beans are then cracked open to reveal the nibs, which contain cocoa solids and cocoa butter. These nibs are ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor, which forms the basis of all chocolate products. To achieve a smooth texture and refine the flavor, the chocolate liquor undergoes a process called conching, where it is continuously mixed and aerated for hours or even days. Depending on the desired type of chocolate, additional ingredients such as sugar, milk powder, and flavorings are blended with the chocolate liquor. This mixture is then refined through further grinding and conching to achieve the desired consistency and taste. The chocolate is then tempered, a critical step that involves carefully controlling the temperature to ensure that the cocoa butter crystallizes properly. Proper tempering gives chocolate its characteristic glossy appearance and satisfying snap when broken. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds and cooled to solidify into bars or other shapes. Precision is key during this step to ensure uniformity and quality in the final product. After cooling, the chocolate bars are carefully removed from the molds, inspected for any imperfections, and packaged for distribution. Attention to detail is crucial at every stage of the manufacturing process to uphold the standards of excellence that chocolate enthusiasts expect. From its origin as a humble cocoa bean to its transformation into a decadent chocolate bar, the manufacturing process of chocolate is a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Each step from harvesting and fermentation to molding and packaging requires skill, precision, and a deep understanding of the intricate chemistry behind chocolate making. As consumers indulge in the velvety smoothness of a chocolate bar, they are also savoring the culmination of centuries of tradition and innovation in the art of chocolate manufacturing.